Hello everyone, my name is Avanadhikari, and in this video I will explain about the configuration of virtual machine and other required softwares and demonstrate the deployments of Node-RED. Now first of all, here we have the configuration of the virtual machines. So I made the virtual machine in Microsoft Azure, and then to connect the virtual machine to my PowerShell, I used the command ssh-i, and I got the .pem file from my virtual machine, and then the username of the virtual machine and its IP address. So after using that command, I was able to log into the PowerShell. So after connecting the virtual machine and PowerShell, I upgraded and updated my virtual machine to install all of the required packages, libraries, and dependencies. And then after that, I installed nginx, and with the command here, I was able to install nginx, and then I started and enabled that. After that, I installed Node.js and npm, and then to check the version of Node.js, I used node-v and npm-v command. Then for Kubernetes and Docker, I installed Kubernetes through the Azure virtual machine itself inside Microsoft Azure, and for Docker, I used its official website to download the software. And now, after installing all of the required packages and softwares that is required to run the Node-RED, I used the following IP address to access the Node-RED, which is 20.167.42.160, and the port number is 1880. Now, you can see this is the flow of the Node-RED, and here we have 5 devices. These are the IoT devices that is used to inject nodes to simulate 5 different IoT devices to send the data. And if I press here, you can see it says successfully injected. That means the data is flowing, the IoT device is working. And in here we have the Azure IoT Hub, which is used as a messaging portal for IoT devices to talk with the cloud-based applications. And then the data goes to the function 1, which is simulating temperature, that generates the data from the function 1, then goes to the temperature gauge, which is a dashboard node that displays the live value in a gauge widget. And then it also goes to the temperature chart, which is also a dashboard node that gives real-time data on the chart over time. Then we have another function called timestamp addition. It is a function node that sticks the timestamp on each reading. Then we convert that file into a CSV format, and then we have this temperature data into CSV format, and then this is the log file that is used to see all of the logs that are given through the IoT devices. After this, to see the flow of the Node-RED, we have the Node-RED dashboard, and this is the Node-RED dashboard that displays the live temperature data. On the top here, we have a temperature gauge that gives we have a temperature chart that logs the data over time, and with the new reading that comes in every 10 seconds, we can see that there are some fluctuations of the temperature. If we have the real IoT devices, and if it was to use in a real-time scenario, then we wouldn't see such fluctuations. But as the IoT device is generating random data, we are seeing lots of ups and downs. And on the bottom here, we have a temperature gauge that is displaying the exact value of the temperature, and it is displaying that in every 10 seconds. After viewing the Node-RED dashboards, we are here in IoT Hub. This shows the IoT Hub uses over time. So today we have used 160 messages. The daily message quota was 44 million, and there are 5 IoT devices. And as we can see, the number of messages was flowing up from this time, and we can see the exact number of messages that was used during this time. And here we have a device to cloud messages, and it shows the real-time line chart. Same with the connected devices that was connected to the virtual machine. And then we have the total number of IoT devices that was used. So it was used all of the 5 devices were used in at this point, but only 2 devices, only 3 devices are being used at this point. Thank you.